It's time for the next episode of Dating Tips and Tricks. Here, we look at online dating profiles and see if there's any kind of tips we can offer these people. So either jump in with a red pen or just laugh with us. Okay, so this is Tyler, and this is how this profile was sent to me. She blocked off what he looks like. So let's read Tyler. He's 26, soon to be future airplane pilot, a YouTuber, working on becoming a licensed realtor. Big entrepreneur mindset, very antisocial, introverted extrovert. So did that right there, just a cluster F of words. He says, I can be rude as F, not easily impressed. Don't touch me without asking. I agree with that, Tyler. Don't like liars, we grown. I agree with that too. Now, where I can see he could start working on things, just the random capitalization is not necessary. Just capitalize at the beginning of sentences and for names and that kind of thing, proper nouns. If you look towards the bottom in his paragraph, he does actually use some commas. He only uses one period, but at least he is using some punctuation. 100% being honest. I just want to go on dates, spend quality time together, and touch each other private parts. Really? Let's actually work towards a future relationship, though, and not focus mainly on the physical. Platonic friendships are welcomed. So that is Tyler. Tyler is 26. Obviously, he could grow. He could change. But we've also seen some older folks come on here and type up extremely silly stuff like this. So we'll see if he'll grow or if he'll just get older. But y'all chime in. This next person is going to be a perfect candidate for the Old Man Mojo Dojo Casa House. I'm just saying that in advance because he is delusional. Let's look at what I'm talking about. So this was posted in a group. I'm going to read to you these 3 pages or 4 pages of screenshots that was sent to me. Hello, ladies. I'm not trying to waste anyone's time or get any hopes up, as I have standards and I have a pretty clear picture of what I need in a relationship for it to be worthy of me and what I bring to the table. Has that gotten your attention, ladies? He's 39 and he's from a place called Bountiful. Looking for a woman who has a career and believes in paying half the bills, joint expenses once we decide to live together, because this isn't the 1950s and I wasn't born into a rich family. I have a career in IT and I make decent money for myself. I rent a 3-bed, 3-bath townhouse with a yard and a garage in Bountiful. Not interested in marriage because it's a scam unless you're born into wealth and want me to be a stay-at-home dad. I would gladly do that, but my income alone isn't enough in this economy to do that comfortably, and I don't want to struggle. Not really looking to have kids at this age, as that ship seems to have sailed, but I may consider it for the right person. So, ladies, he's flexible. Was in a relationship for 15 plus years, and she left me once she found out she couldn't have kids, needed to get a hysterectomy, and some weird midlife crisis where she decided one day that she was unhappy and she didn't tell me because she didn't want to hurt my feelings, and it's also too late to fix it. Then I found out she literally met someone on the street, hence the zero interest in marriage. So he's not bitter or anything, y'all. Totally over his ex. Marriage only benefits a woman, and I am not a simp. I'm looking for an equal partnership with someone like-minded as me, and not looking to save someone from their lifetime of mistakes. I don't care how pretty and valuable you think you are from all the pervy simps you have followed and worshiping you on Instagram. I require more substance. So he's not looking to save you off from your mistakes, even though he just let us have it as far as his ex goes. All right, let's see what's some fun facts about him. I have a dark sense of humor. I'm pretty hilarious, but only if you're witty enough to get it. I'm smart, and therefore I'm attracted to smart women. I love camping. I have all the stuff we need. Y'all want to go camping with this man? I have many tattoos, but none on my face, neck, hands, legs, private areas. I was ordained a deacon, baptized for the dead in Mormonism, so I could go to scout camp, when I was little. But I don't believe in the religion because it's full of bigotry, racism, and they just want you They just want your money. I am a centrist on politics, and I don't think I could be with an extremist on either side. I don't pick a side and blindly follow everything on that side because I don't agree with everything on either side. Too many people have made politics their entire personality, and to me, it's borderline mental disorder level red flags. I have a medical marijuana license, so my house is 420 friendly. I very rarely drink and never do drugs, but I have tried some mushrooms a long time ago. I have an athletic body everywhere except for my belly, which I'm working on every day. I moved all my heavy furniture into my house by myself because I'm strong like that. My ex wanted to have some weird relationship where she can still have relations with me because she can't find anyone as good as me, but I refuse to devalue myself. Y'all, he's still talking about his ex. I'm saving myself for my next girl. Take that, ex. I like to do outdoor activities and would prefer someone who isn't afraid or too lazy to join me on such adventures. Lagoon rides, Provo River float, tube float, kayaking, hiking, backpacking, camping, jet skiing. Hopefully, through my honesty, you can make an educated decision on whether or not we are compatible. If you have similar interests in a relationship and find me attractive, let me know and we can get started on seeing if we vibe with each other and all other things. If you're just a cringe person who feels some type of way about my standards, keep it moving. This isn't a discussion, it's a dating advert. If you don't like my advert, keep scrolling. I won't adjust my standards. Y'all, I cannot even start to remark on this because it's so long. Who, yes, that was a lot. I am going to leave the tips and tricks to y'all. I did ask the woman who sent it if she could send a fuller picture if she could, but I haven't heard back yet. As I do these dating tips and tricks, I am sure that you ladies are reminded every day why plants, pets, working, clicking around the computer, having some money, and hanging out with friends is going to be more beneficial than dating at this point. Because what we are seeing is bad grammar, bad attitudes, um, yeah, weird standards, um, no tact in writing things. But you guys go ahead, let me know what you are saying. I am seeing lots of candidates that are going to be headed towards the Old Man Mojo Dojo Casa House because, yeah, I don't know who's going to choose to be involved with these, but y'all can weigh in now.